Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's been a heck of a long time since I've actually sat down and filmed a video, but today I thought that I would take away the camera and the ring light and the viewfinder and everything, and I just wanted to sit down and film with my phone, which is what I first started to film with when I first started my YouTube channel. And yeah, I showered, that's why my hair is like super wet. I have my favorite Starbucks drink, and we're just gonna sit down and I'm just going to play with some makeup. That is what we're going to do. So, I'm first gonna start with my Smashbox Photo Finish Serene Greens Primer Water. This is in collaboration with Nicole Consiglio. I use that on all my clients. It just refreshes the skin, makes it super glowy and beautiful. For foundation, guys, let me tell you, I found a holy grail foundation, and I know I said this about the Maybelline one. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Soft Ivory. This foundation is so good. I put this on, I had it on, the first day I tried this, I had it on for about 6 hours, and then I started crying. Why was I crying? Oh, I was watching Marriage Proposals. Tears of joy, okay? But I was crying and there was no streaks at all. Like, my foundation was still there. Like, it was still intact. It looked so pretty. It looked even better. Like, oh my God. This foundation is amazing. And it has a little spatula thing, which I'm not a fan of. Like, I wish I had a pump. But what you gonna do? You can't have your cake and eat it too. Haha, that rhymed. So I literally take this and put it all over my face. Duh. I'm gonna go blend this in. And then when I come back, I'll just have better skin. Okay, so for concealer, I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Concealer Define in C1. Guys, this concealer is amazing. If you haven't used it, you are missing out, hun. So, in my past videos, I feel like I've shown a personality that isn't me. Every time I would like laugh, it would be like a very nervous laugh, like, you know? And like, I don't know why. My mom brought this up to me, and so like every time I would like rewatch my videos and see that laugh, I would literally cringe because it's like not my laugh. I don't laugh like that. I literally, when I laugh, I sound like a dolphin on steroids, and that laugh is just like To set all of this, I'm taking the NYX HD finishing powder. I don't use loose powder anymore, believe it or not. I just use that. And it works amazingly. And I think it's like $10. Can we just talk about the fact that so many people are either breaking up, divorcing, or pregnant? First, it was Jaclyn Hill and her husband divorcing. And then it was David and Liza breaking up. And then today I just found out that Tammy and her dude are broken up for a few months now. And it's like Savannah and Cole are pregnant. Catherine and Austin are pregnant. Bramty and Lewis are pregnant with twins. It's like, damn. When doing my brows, I always have to remind myself that eyebrows are sisters, not twins. But today they look like ninth cousins. So, moving on. For my eyeshadow, I'm just taking the Jaclyn Hoola palette. Oh, I brought that too high up. Okay. I miss my mom. Where is she? She's at work. I brought that so high up. It's okay, we'll just blend it out later. And then I'm gonna take, this one right here. I'm gonna use that to deepen my crease. This is gonna be so messy. Oh my god. And I'm just gonna take these 3 right here. Put that on my outer corner. Y'all know I like a dark outer corner. Wow, this looks like complete poop. I'm just gonna do a coat of mascara quickly. For bronzer, Hoola, I'm hitting pan, okay? And you wanna like bring it up. When you're doing bronzer, you always wanna bring it up. You don't wanna bring it down because it'll make your face look droopy. So you wanna have like a facelift, but cheaper. And then I'm gonna take bronzer and kind of just sweep it under my eyes, just so my under eyes don't look so bright. I know everyone's like, get rid of dark circles, yeah, brighten under your under eyes. And I'm just like, put bronzer.
1 hour later.
Okay, so it's been like an hour since that last clip, but we'll just continue like I was here the whole time. Okay, and then I'm taking my Amrezy highlighter. I'm still obsessed with this. And now, just for lipstick, I'm putting on my favorite everyday lipstick. Every single time that I have this on, I always get asked what I have on. So, this is it. This is the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in Fair Game. Guys, this is the most perfect nude ever. Like, ever. And just like that, our makeup is done. That was it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. I did start vlogging, so weekly vlogs might become a thing soon. Also, I want to declutter my makeup collection soon because I have a full like Alex 9 drawer from IKEA for all my makeup, and I probably use only 2 drawers. So I want to like declutter a bunch of my makeup and like donate it or give it away or, you know, whatever. But yeah, I'll see you guys whenever I'm in the mood to film. Oh, but it's upside down. I will see you guys next time, whenever that may be. Oh.